Welcome to iLeap Solutions, the BPM software company. Let me illustrate how we automated a production data flow process using IntelliPro Business Process Management Suite. Our client is a leading manufacturer of watch strap with 5 production plants, manufactures over 100 plus models, with a production demand of 3,000 per order from leading watch companies. The production process is an 18-step process, which links through different departments before it gets dispatched. Now, different models will go through different routes. The data pertaining to the production process is captured using manual paper-based route cards, leading to challenges like wrong routing of models. Let's say model MX07 routes through the highlighted departments like link assembly, catch fixing to packaging to dispatch. Now the model in the manual process goes through pre-press, side grinding, angle grinding, and other departments before it gets dispatched. Now routing to these unwanted steps leads to delay in production. Challenge 2. Data entry manipulation. Since it's a manual paper-based route card, they had challenges in discrepancy into start time, discrepancy in end time, reject quantity, adjusting rework quantity, and data entry not being legible, which led to deviation in delivery quantity and timeliness. The management had questions. Why delay in delivery? Why variation in delivery quantity? Who is accountable? Which state has high rework rate or rejection rate? Multiple challenges and one solution. IntelliPro BPMS, the Rapid Application Development Platform, which comprises of Process Composer, Form Designer, Report Designer, Business Activity Monitoring, Reports or Analytics, Data Model, the apps, the Calendar module, Inbox, and Notification. The 18-step production workflow was designed using IntelliPro Process Composer, with rule-based gateways routing the right models to the right departments, with no more delay in delivery timelines and delightful customers. Using IntelliPro Form Designer, we were able to eliminate manual paper-based route cards to e-route card with non-editable data, real-time capturing of start time and end time, and stage-wise capturing of rejection and rework quantity. And this led to eliminating data discrepancy, enabling data accountability, enhancing data accuracy, enlightening management with critical production intelligence. Production intelligence. Using business activity monitoring in the BPMS IntelliPro BPMS platform, the management had real-time monitoring of production line, insights on process-centric reports to analyze KPIs, insights into data-centric reports, in this case, the rework rejection report or the delivery deviation report, which benefited within 6 months, rework rate reduced by improving worker skills, rejection rate reduced by fine-tuning the machines, and delivery timelines met because of the right models routed to the right departments.